Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 1st of June and today we have to see only 8 questions along with some additional facts at the end. And to get PDF of all these videos, you can join me on Telegram by writing the channel's name Students Point. You will recognize the channel by this logo there. You will get all the PDFs there. If you are finding my videos useful, don't forget to like the video and share the video with your friends and loved ones. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, then do press this subscribe button, and if you have already subscribed, press this bell icon. It will help you to get notification of all the latest videos so that you never miss any opportunity to learn and grow every day. So let's begin now. First we have to see question for the day. You have to answer this question in the comment section. Here is the question. INS Kalinga, an Indian Navy establishment, is located in. These are the options. Read the options carefully and then answer it in the comment section. Let's begin now the first question. Goa was annexed by Indian government in the year of 1961 from Portuguese under. So Goa was annexed by Indian government in the year of 1961 under Operation Vijay. So here B is the right answer. And Indian government launched this Operation Vijay and annexed Daman and Diu and Goa in 1961. And Alfonso de Albuquerque, who was the Portuguese governor in Goa, captured Goa in the year of 1510. He was known as the Great, the Terrible, the Caesar of the East, the Lion of the Seas, and the Portuguese Mars, all because of his military techniques. And on May 30th, 2020, Goa has celebrated its statehood day. Goa became a state on 30th of May in the year of 1987, and Goa was the 25th state to join the Union of India. The next question now. CTAP initiative has been launched by. So this CTAP initiative has been launched by World Health Organization. So here C is the right answer. World Health Organization along with the Costa Rica launched this landmark COVID-19 technology access pool. In short, this is called as CTAP. And 30 countries along with many multiple international institutions have also signed up to support this CTAP initiative. This CTAP initiative is a voluntary and it is based on social solidarity. This will serve as a sister initiative to the access to COVID-19 tools, which is called in short as ACT Accelerator, and other initiatives to support the efforts to fight COVID-19 worldwide. This initiative will try to ensure that all the vaccines and materials developed to fight against COVID-19 are accessible throughout the world easily. The next question. Rozgar Setu has been launched by. So this has been launched by the state of MP. So here D is the right answer. It will help secure employment for skilled workers who have returned to the state, and state government will act as Setu, that is bridge between the workers and the employers. The next question now. Consider the following statements about Very Large Telescope, in short called as VLT. See, it consists of 4 telescopes and it operates at infrared wavelength. This statement is correct, and it is located in European Southern Observatory, which is located in northern Chile, which is a South American country. This statement is also correct. So here both of these statements are correct, so C is the right answer. And this telescope is capable of detecting objects 4 billion times fainter than it can be detected with naked eyes. And recently it was in news because the SPHERE instrument of the Very Large Telescope has captured the birth of a new planet in the AB Auriga star system. This is the first time in human history that the birth of a star has been witnessed by human. The next question now. World No Tobacco Day is being observed on. So this World No Tobacco Day is being observed on 31st of May every year. So here A is the right answer. The theme for this year is Tobacco and Related Industry Tactics to Attract Younger Generations. And the day has been created by World Health Organization. The next question. Which state government will launch 800-kilometer roads as herbal roads in the state? So it was UP government which has taken this initiative, and this was the previous day question which many of you have answered correctly. The next question again. Consider the following statements about Indian National Supermodel. See, the model will integrate mathematical and statistical forecasts to predict the possible impacts of a spread of COVID-19. This statement is correct. This Indian national supermodel has been launched by Department of Science and Technology. This statement is also correct. So here again both of these statements are correct. C is the right answer. And Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research along with Indian Institute of Science are also part of this model. The next question now. Consider the following statements about responsible artificial intelligence for youth. It has been launched by Ministry of Science and Technology. This is wrong. This responsible AI for youth initiative has been launched by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So here first is wrong. It will empower the youth to become AI, that is artificial intelligence ready, and help reduce the skill gap. Second statement is correct. First is wrong. So here only A is the right answer. And this program has been created by National E-Governance Division, which comes under Ministry of Electronics and IT, in collaboration with Intel India, with support from Department of School Education and Literacy, which comes under Ministry of Human Resource and Development. This program is open to students of class 8 to 12th from central and state government run schools, including KVS schools, NVS schools, and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya as well, from across the countries. And one more portal has been launched by Union Minister for Electronics and IT, which is called as India's National Artificial Intelligence Portal. It is the www.ai.gov.in. This portal has been jointly developed by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology along with the IT industry, and National E-Governance Division of MEITY and NASSCOM from IT industry will jointly run this portal. It will share resources such as articles, startups, investment funds in AI, resources, companies, and educational institutions who are engaged in AI. The next question now. Proxima b, an Earth-like planet, was first discovered using. So it was first discovered using HARPS. So here B is the right answer. Here HARPS stands for High Accuracy Radial Velocity Planet Searcher. I repeat it. HARPS stands for High Accuracy Radial Velocity Planet Searcher. And Proxima b planet was first discovered in the year of 2016. And now what is HARPS? See, this HARPS is a planet hunting spectrograph mounted to one of the telescopes at the European South Observatory at the La Silla Observatory in Chile. Remember, they may ask you that where is La Silla Observatory? So it is in Chile. And now scientists keep an eye on this planet using ESPRESSO. Earlier they used HARPS, but now they use ESPRESSO to keep an eye on this planet. And this ESPRESSO is a new generation spectrograph also located in Chile, which boasts 3 times the precision as HARPS. And it was in news recently because scientists has confirmed the existence of Proxima b planet, and it is orbiting the closest star to our solar system, that is Proxima Centauri. So Proxima Centauri is the closest star to our solar system, and this planet Proxima b is orbiting this star, and this star is just 4.2 light years away from the sun, and Proxima b is only 1.17 times the mass of Earth. Earlier the estimation was 1.3 times. However, now precisely it has been said that it is just 1.17 times the mass of Earth, and it orbits its star in just 11.2 days. And if you have not liked the video yet, do like it and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Let's see some more facts now. See, Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology, which was called as CPAT in short, has been renamed as Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology. So this word plastics has been substituted with petrochemicals. Remember the name? And then Indian Olympics President Narendra Batra has been appointed as a member of Olympics Channel Commission. Remember the name? Narendra Batra, who was the IOA president, has been appointed as member of Olympic Channel Commission. The 36th National Games, which was scheduled to be held in Goa, was postponed indefinitely due to coronavirus pandemic. So remember that 36th National Game was to be held in Goa. R. Sri Lekha will become the Kerala's first woman DGP. Remember the name R. Sri Lekha. So I hope you find the video useful. Share the video with your friends and loved ones. Like the video if you find it useful. Subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you never miss any video and any opportunity to learn and grow every day. And wait for the upcoming video. One more thing, the test will be organized tomorrow, so be prepared for it. The question will be from 25th of May till 31st of May. So be prepared for it, everyone. Till then, thanks a lot.